Welcome back to another segment of Manifest with SI Power. I believe it's in Galatians 6, it may be 6, 7. It says, "Be not deceived, God is not mocked. Whatsoever man soweth, that shall he also reap." I tell my clients all the time, study nature. See how nature works. Why? Because if you work in opposition against nature, guaranteed 100% you're going to lose. But if you flow with nature, or your modus operandi is like nature, similar to nature, or exactly like nature, you're going to come out how nature comes out. Look at the blades of grass. Look at the leaves on the trees. Just look at everything. It's fruitful. It's barren. A tree is known by its fruit.